everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican living in Switzerland. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare a delicious Mexican dessert called Carlota with the lemon flavoring. Okay, so the ingredients to make your Carlota are the ones I have laid out here. I have quite a few because I'm making a double portion, so I'm just going to tell you guys the ingredients for one portion. If you want to make it double, then you just make it twice like I do. You need 1 can of condensed milk. This is how it looks here in Switzerland. 1 can of evaporated milk. The juice of 7 lemons. And Maria cookies. These I can't give you an exact amount because it depends on the size of the mold you're using, how high you want to make your dessert. So I just have 3 rolls of cookies here. I don't know how many I'm going to use, but that's up to you how many you use. You're going to use a lemon squeezer, a chopping board and knife. I'm using a spring form to make my Carlota in, and your blender. All the ingredients will go in here. Okay, so the next step is adding some of our ingredients into the blender. Going to add the evaporated milk. The condensed milk. And I already chopped up my lemons in quarters, so we're going to add the juice of the lemons in there also. And that would be all the ingredients that get blended. Okay, the next step is taking all these ingredients to the blender to get mixed for about 2 minutes on high speed. Okay, so the next step is layering our Carlota. I'm going to use a spring form pan. I'm using this pan because it's easier to unmold the Carlota when it's done, but if you don't have one, you can just use a normal pan and try to tap it out, or you can cut the slices out directly from the mold if you want. What we're going to do next is we're going to pour some of the batter to the bottom of the mold, and we're going to spread it out all evenly. We can use a spatula to help ourselves. You spread it out all around the bottom of the pan, and you're going to layer your Maria cookies all around the form, covering the bottom of the pan. Some of the cookies will be whole and some you'll have to break into parts to fill in the gaps. And you're going to keep doing this alternating batter, cookies until you either fill up the form or you run out of batter and the Maria cookies. Okay, so I finished setting up our Carlota. The top shall always end in batter. You can't have cookies on the top. It has to look like this. I like leaving it overnight in the refrigerator, but if you don't have, like if you need to do it quick with 2 or 3 hours that you pop it in the fridge, it's more than fine. So our Carlota is finished. I already cut a slice off. This is how it should look. Nice and simple and delicious. I decorated it my style. Your imagination is your limit. You can put on it whatever you want. And the best way to enjoy a dessert is with a nice cup of coffee. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.